Hi there. One thing that I always loved being in the commercial kitchen was showing up every morning and seeing what I had that I could turn into today's special. And that's what I felt like this morning. I came up, this is the remainder of some focaccia bread I made yesterday, which put a huge dent in it. And I knew I had some chicken thighs in the refrigerator. So I thought, let's make a crispy oven fried chicken thigh. So marinating the chicken thighs is first and foremost because you want these to marinate as long as you can. I have 4 chicken thighs. I cut them in half. I just made them a little smaller to make more pieces. And I do want to pound them out a little bit. I just want them to be more even so they cook evenly. So I just got the pesto from the mortar and pestle, and I'm just going to give them a little bit of bang. I'm not looking to make this really thin like schnitzel. So I want to do a little buttermilk marinade here for this chicken. So I've got some garlic powder, onion powder. I'm going to do some of my mixed pepper blend, some kosher salt. And now this is fermented dill pickles. And I'm going to use some of that brine in there, some hot sauce. So the longer the better for marinating this. If you only have 30 minutes and 30 minutes, but if you're planning ahead, do it the day before. So next up is some breadcrumbs from this beautiful focaccia. Now, I've just got my oven on 250. I'm going to break this up and just slowly let it dry out in the oven because I'm waiting for dinner for that chicken, so I'm in no hurry. But if you were in a hurry and wanted to quickly turn it into breadcrumbs, just crank your oven up a little bit. Just keep a close eye on them. So next, I'm going to make some breadcrumbs with this dry bread. Now for about 4 boneless, skinless chicken thighs, I'm going to do 2 cups of breadcrumbs, and to that I'm going to add a teaspoon onion powder, garlic powder, sweet paprika, oregano, and half a teaspoon of ground thyme. And I shredded up about 3/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese. So now we're all ready for the breading process. Now I'm going to do mine on a rack because that lets airflow under them so they're crispy all over. But you can just do this on parchment paper. I prefer the rack. I am going to take a little avocado oil and just brush my rack down just to help things from sticking. Now I do have my oven on 425 degrees. I've let my chicken sit out so it comes up to room temperature. I'm going straight from my buttermilk into my breadcrumbs. And I just want to really pack it down and really coat that really well. 425, 25 minutes. So we're out of the oven and I am just gonna let them sit for a few moments, let them kind of settle down. And I think they look pretty. Super easy way for a quick, crispy oven fried chicken. I did cut one just because I wanted to taste it. Tastes amazing. I'll see y'all later.